Hello, teacher. My name is Ivan Alexander Cuadros y Fuentes. Eh, I have present activity 3. I am 20 years old. I studying in open distance university. You not. Um, I am hurry duel this year. I'm going to travel to San Andres. I'm going to stay at after upon hotel and has with wet of sea. It is what they have recommended. Me, I am going to wear very comfortable clothes for the climate or therefore bear bear. I am going to invite only whole family more. Dad and brothers and the money we are going to spend is 6 millions in will brand minds pictures of memories in the family with boyfriends try baseball um, thank you.